Okay, hello sir. So we here will presenting our project. Our project name is Library Booking App, and our member is me, Mahasa, and Hafiz. Hafiz, are you here?
Yes, of course.
Okay, Hafiz is here. And after that, Faisal, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Faisal. Let's okay, next, Tania.
Hello, I'm here.
Okay, good. And then Bagas, how
Yes,
are you,
I'm here,
Bagas?
Mas. I'm fine.
Okay, okay. Okay, so for the next, I will explain a little bit why we choose the library booking app. So basically, we discussing about this project because I think this is unique because when some student want to borrow the library booking app, but we still need to write them on the book, and that's why we create this app. So it will make this much more easier because we have this app. Okay, so yep, this is the main structure. Our structure is on the main activity, and we have the registration tool and main page and main feature, and we have the loan list too because we need it so the people will see what book is currently on the loan, and this is for the booking. Yeah, and this is the for the book list too, and this is the important too, the book list and the book return, because we need to see what the book is still here or ready, and after that we still need the book return because we need to see what the book is returned, what the book is not returned. Okay, after that we move to the explanation about the login. Yeah, short explanation lah ya about the login and registration. So in here user can register with a unique username and password, and we have the yeah registration for the new user. So it will explain more on the demo after this. Okay, and here we have the booking or borrowing process. So in here users select a book from a spinner which only lists available books, and borrowing duration must be 1 until 15 days, and the loan data is saved to borrow table with a return 0. Yeah, for the next is book return, and in here page is, yeah, as I explained a little bit before. In here we for the display book currently on the loan, and after that the user select book and press the return button. Maybe it will more explain it on the demo after this. Okay, let's move next on the available book. Yeah, it will say this is only the display about the book and the loan list. It will show the history about the book on currently on the loan. Okay, for this database, the database itself it only contain the three, yeah, the user, book table, and the borrow book. And yep, maybe we will explain more on the demo. Okay, for the demo will be explained by Faisal. Hello, Faisal. Are you here?
Okay, thank you, Mahas.
Okay, I will stop sharing and Faisal will sharing.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
we
yes,
can see
we
it.
can see.
Okay. Okay, this is the demo. I will explain the demo. This is the application. This is the login screen of the Librariku apps. Here, user enter their username and password. After filling in the form, they can tap the login button to access the app. If they don't have an account yet, they can tap create account at the bottom to register first. Okay. And then this is the create account page. New user can register by filling in their username, password, and confirm password. After everything is filled in correctly, they tap the create account button to save the new account. If they already have an account, they can go back to the login page using the already have an account. Okay. Then now I will log in using an existing account with the username. For example Rifki NF, my name, and then the password same Rifki NF, and then I tap the create account button. After that, have a notification here, and then input the username and password again to log in, and then I click the login button. This is the landing page of LibraryQ application. At the top, there is the greeting, welcome, the name of your username. Below that, we have the main menu. We have a borrow list to see the history of borrow and return book, booking to make a new book, borrowing or booking form, book list to view the list of available books, book return to return book that are currently borrowed. At the bottom, there is a log out button to sign out from the app. Okay, if I tap, go to the login page again. So the login logout button successful in this we have a footer, the BHMNR developer, it's mean Bagas, Hafiz, Mahas, Nia, Rifki, our group names. Okay, now I open the borrow list menu. This page shows the history of all borrowing and returning activities. This is null because the user still not borrow book. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then this is the booking. I open the booking menu. This is the booking form. In select book, the user choose which book to borrow. For example, BK001. If you want to more, you just click and show the available book. For example, BK001. And then you input the duration of your borrowed, 1 until 15 days. For example, 7 days, I think. After that, you can save the booking. At the bottom, there are 2 extra buttons. View book list to quickly see the book catalog. For example, like that. This is the book list. And then view loan list to see the list of loans. This null because the member not borrow Okay, after that we save the booking and then show the pop-up and give the information. Please come to the library and show this booking to the librarian for confirmation. Okay. After that, we go to the borrow list and then have a history of borrowed. The status is borrowed. And then I will click to show the detail and show to library staff for confirmation, like that. Okay, after that we can fill the form of return. The user simply select the book to be returned and then tap the return book button, like this at the bottom. After that, the book status is update to return and change is recorded in the history. For example, I return the book, pop up for return book. After that, we go to the borrow list and then the status is return. Okay. For example, we will demo again with the second account, I think. So we create new account right there. For example, who's guys?
Maybe you can use my name.
Mahas. The password is Mahas. And then I create account and then login again. Okay. If you see the borrow list, this is the history of user Rifki NF, the duration and the status. Okay, like that. If I booking again with, for example, BK01010 ya.
Oh no. I want the same book.
Oh, okay, the same book. This ya, BK001. What do you want? The duration?
3 days.
3 days. Okay, 3 days. And then I save the booking. Show the pop-up. And then in the book list, there are no BK001 because the BK001 has been borrowed.
And how about if I want to borrow the book again? Can we move to booking again?
Yes, you can fill the booking form
And
Yeah.
I want to borrow the BK10.
okay,
Can you-
BK10 ya. You want to borrow the BK10, right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want the duration of book?
10 days.
10 days.
Yep.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
can you show the view book list and view loan list on here?
Okay, you can click the view book list like that. And then the view loan list status is borrowed
Yeah.
Okay, because you borrow the BK001.
Okay. Then click the save book.
Okay, click the
Then we
save
see
booking.
again.
And then the booking save. What do you want again?
See the loan list.
See the loan list. The status is borrowed BK10. The user is Mahas. The duration is 10 days. The status is borrowed. Okay?
So right now I want to return one of my book. Can you show me?
Okay, I will return your book by choosing the book returns menu. What do you want?
Maybe the BK one.
The BK one,
no,
you
B-
just
BK10.
click the BK one and then you click the return books.
So we only can return one by one, right?
Yeah, just one by one, not 2, 3, 4. No, cannot.
Okay.
Okay, after that, in the book list, the BK001 has returned and available to borrow for another member. The BK00,
Okay.
the BK10 not on list because the status is borrowed. Okay? After that,
Okay,
you
okay.
can see the status or history in the borrow list. The status BK001 user Mahas is return status. Okay?
Okay. So good, yeah. So good.
So good.
Yeah, I think it's okay because I think is more than enough
Yeah.
about explaining this application. And yep, so this is all, sir. This is the demo for our app, and maybe if you still have more question, I think you can freely email me. Okay. Okay, so that's all, sir, from us. And can you guys say goodbye, guys?
Goodbye.
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 Okay, okay.
Okay.
That's all, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.